Good day, everyone. What makes your favorite apps, websites, and games run so smoothly? So, the answer is software engineering. Software engineers write codes to build apps, websites, and programs that make life easier. They also find and fix problems to keep software secure and work properly. Before software is released, engineers test it to ensure it's fast, reliable, and easy to use. Software engineering helps businesses grow, drives innovation, and powers the latest technologies like AI and smart devices. From banking apps to social media and even self driving cars, software engineering shapes the world around us. Technology keeps evolving, and software engineers make it possible. Could you be one of them? Keep learning, keep building, and thank you for watching. God bless.